subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the problems of continuity. In this question, we have to check whether the given function is continuous or not. If function is a discontinuous, then whether discontinuity is removable or not. The question is f of x is equal to 1 minus cos 3x whole thing divided by x into tan x, comma, x not equal to 0 is equal to 9, comma, x equal to 0 at indicated point x equal to 0. So in this question, first of all we check whether the given function is continuous or not. And secondly, if it is discontinuous, then whether the discontinuity is removable or not. Now let's see the solution. Given f of x is equal to 9, comma, x equal to 0. And therefore f of 0 equal to 9. Let us denote this as equation 1. The next step will be limit x tends to 0 f of x, that equal to limit x tends to 0. Now x tends to 0 means x not equal to 0, and for that purpose f of x is defined as 1 minus cos 3x upon x into tan x. Now here we use one trigo formula, that 1 minus cos of 2 theta, that gives 2 sine square theta. So is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos of 3x gives 2 sine square 3x upon 2 upon x into tan x in the denominator. Now here, to get rule of limits, we have to divide a numerator and denominator by x square. So limit x tends to 0. In the numerator, 2 is a constant term, so we take outside the limit. Then sine square bracket 3x upon 2, that divide by x square, bracket complete, upon limit x tends to 0 x into tan x upon x square. So that equal to 2 in bracket limit x tends to 0 sin squared 3x upon 2 upon 3x upon 2 the whole square into 3x upon 2 the whole square upon original term x square. It means here we multiply numerator and denominator by the term 3x upon 2 bracket square. Now in the denominator we write a limit x tends to 0 simply tan of x upon x. So in this way we get 2 into, now limit x tends to 0 sin square 3x upon 2 upon 3x upon 2 whole bracket square. So that gives answer 1 the whole square into, now here we cancel x square from numerator and x square from denominator. So we left with only 3 upon 2 the whole square, which gives us 9 upon 4. And finally divide by limit x tends to 0 tan x upon x, that gives 1. So if we go for the cancellation, that 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So it means here we get final answer as a 9 upon 2. So in this way we get limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to 9 upon 2. Let us this denote as a equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2 we get limit x tends to 0 f of x is not equal to f of 0. And therefore f of x is a discontinuous at x equal to 0. Now this discontinuity is removable by redefining the given function as follows. F of x is equal to, So f of x is equal to 1 minus cos of 3x upon x into tan x, comma x not equal to 0 and is equal to 9 upon 2, comma x equal to 0 at indicated point x equal to 0. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.